Listen up, men. You're young, you're broke. You've got nothing but ambition, grit, and maybe a cheap Android phone with a cracked screen. And yet, you want to sit at the same table with millionaires and pitch your idea like you belong there. Guess what? You can, but only if you play the damn game right. First, understand this. Being poor is a condition, but staying broke, that's a mindset. Rich men don't care if your slippers came from Wu's Market or if your shirt still smells like your neighbor's perfume. What they want to know is one thing. Can you solve a problem and make them richer? Here's how you approach them if you want to be taken seriously. Number 1, stop begging. Start bringing value. Don't approach wealthy individuals with a sob story. They're not social workers or charitable foundations. Instead, approach them with solutions. Show them how your idea or proposal will help them generate more income or solve a pressing problem in their business. Number 2, package your brain. If you can't package your clothes, you might not afford designer shoes yet, but your idea must be tailored like a 3-piece suit from Savile Row. Speak in results, not excitement. If you sound like you're hoping it'll work, he'll treat you like a gambler. Come with numbers, come with strategy. Number 3, know your stuff. If you're pitching a business in agriculture, fintech, logistics, or anything else, you must know your field in detail. For example, if it's aquaculture, you should know things like the ideal pH for fish farming, the weight of a mature catfish, and the expected yield per cycle. Rich people invest in competence, not vibes. Number 4, be bold, not arrogant. When you walk into that meeting, walk in like a man who belongs in the room, not someone who snuck in. Give a firm handshake, make eye contact, speak with confidence and clarity. Present yourself as someone with a vision and a future, not a beggar looking for pocket change. Number 5, respect, don't worship, admire their achievements, but don't kneel at their feet. The moment they sense that you're desperate for approval, they'll either ignore you or take advantage. Remember, you're not there to seek validation or mentorship. You're there to do business as a partner, not a charity case. Number 6, choose your circle wisely. Avoid bringing people into your journey who don't share your hunger or vision, especially those who demand luxury without understanding sacrifice. While you're building from the ground up, you need partners, not passengers. You can't build an empire with someone whose biggest concern is not having a Netflix subscription. Rich people are often willing to partner with those who are hungry, driven, and focused. However, they only work with individuals who are smart, prepared, and strategic. If you're poor, don't act poor. Act prepared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be back soon with a new video.